You see, Uno go up on the crime and kill them 3 youth there, and probably celebrate right now. Yeah, man, and just go on and kill more people, man. Just go on and purge out the place. Just go on and kill people, man.
The way I try to stay positive, and I don't treat the way I live in. Some fools will negative.
I deal with. They just want to say RIP to the youths, them. RIP to Little Sanchez, RIP to Keno, RIP to Bupi. Them youth and live no life, people. I know them wish them could have experienced certain things in their life, but them not get the chance to do that due to the full violence that still go on in Augustown, you see me? And if you check the history of the war, where it has stemmed from people. A little idiot thieving gun. So the little idiot thieving gun caused the whole of them man if you're dead off from them time they till now. You see me I say? It caused the artist to lose him good pitney. So I don't know why it play out the way of the artist losing youth, but God alone know why he might play it out the way like a chess game. So we just have to just watch and see how it will end, but it will end in a way where everybody will go happy. So I just one of them things they see it, but before me go down more and all of that, I have to refresh in the memory because it seems like people forget how Augustown get to where. People forget what Augustown known for. People. Augustown known for the little waste man them with gun who love kill people. And them same waste man them with gun who love kill people are 2 things about them. Them love to kill them friend them, and them love to kill innocent people. So you see, if you are one friend of a idiot waste man with gun from Augustown, don't be surprised him turn him gun on you and bust your head right then and there. Them known for that. And you see, if you're innocent and you come from Augustown and you live in an era where a war with the next era, here what am I going to tell you for? Pack up your things and leave. Move out. You see me? Because that will go save your life. That will go add on some more years upon your life. That will go make you able to live and experience certain things in your life. Pack up your things and move out. If you can't afford to do that, please do not go out in the road and linger, go a bar, go a party, go a night, go on a little gathering, loud them thing there. You see me? I say, go a big road for that. You see me? Go a big road, go enjoy yourself. Somewhere safe, you see me? Because you're innocent, so you don't have to worry yourself. You see it? But if you can't afford to go a big road that often, turn in your yard, man. Turn in your yard, man. Play some game, watch some TV. Just stay off our road, because you don't know how Augustown stay from them time until now. The little idiot them and the waste man them with the gun them. Them love kill all them friend and innocent people, so you don't know what time it is. You don't been know what time it is, you know, but you just did that be naive. But now in a big 2022, you say now is not the time for be naive. You know, for act on it now. Action speak louder than words. So act on it now and stop waste time before you get the head. Before I go down further in the video, I just want to address a topic where most Jamaican people come like them about disliking for ghetto people. Yeah, you see man, we always talk about yo, when gunman kill innocent people, ghetto people don't want for protest, they don't want for block the road. But as soon as police kill an innocent man, just want all for just want all care, them start for protest and go and baiting. You see, people love to say them things, I'm telling you this. Ghetto people, and also them deal with internal community gang war affairs. And also them protest. For them way of protesting when it come to them thing when gunman kill innocent man, them go to the police and inform. Snitch, give information upon the violence producer them so the police them can come clean up the place. Or them keep a peace meeting, peace dance, some type of peace treaty movement. A little football competition just to bring back the love and thing in the community, you see me? I saw them do it. But where you have the youths them keep on breaking the peace, you see me? Remember, you know, the peace them break at Augustown to, you know, add more fuel to the little idiot thieving gun saga, you see me I say? And that go on. And that go on island wide in every garrison. The youth them keep on break the peace. But don't go on like say, yo, the ghetto people them not try for protest. Them protest in a day way they may try for show no like bringing peace to the community, cause burning car tire and old fridge whenever a gunman kill innocent people. That now go stop gang war. You see me? Remember too, people fear them life. So enough understand that too. But whenever police get involved with killing an innocent man now, expect that, cause you don't want the people in the community them start to kill police. You see me? You don't want that. Make the people and burn them whole fridge and burn them whole car. And rebel and get TVJ and the government involved. Because if the ghetto people them never do that over the years, we wouldn't have income. You see me I deal with? You see the youths them, we are come up with the thing now. Them future no look bright at all. It look shaky. Because COVID alone slapped with 2 years of them social life. You see me? Plus, the bigger man them, when I set an example, we just show the youths them the same dirty life. For them to come inherit the same fool war and the same shit. That show me so the youth them future no look bright at all, you see me, and it mess up, you see me. You know why it mess up? Because when we are come up into the thing, it never so bad. We did have a time in our life where we are party, we are enjoy ourselves, we are road, we are look girl. See me I say? Our social life never mash up like all them youth of social life are mash up. So by the look at things, that make me say yo, the future no look bright for them youth that will come up. You see it? So blame the big old crosses waste man them. We are finance the war, or we are teach the youth them to inherit the war, or blame big old corona. Back to my argument. So I'm talk to the waste man them with gun will love kill people, innocent people too. You see, uno go up on the crime and kill them 3 youth there, and probably celebrate right now. Yeah man, just go on and kill more people man. Just go on and purge out the place. Just go on and kill people man. Because the more the killer, the more the karma get big enough. Because you can't escape karma when it come in. When karma come in, it come wicked enough. And now I know when it come to you know. It come in many different ways. So just go and purge out the place. Because I'm telling you, you know, so August don't go come back, you know. The more the killer and the more the purge out. You know, the ones and ones, yeah. Eventually the place will come to a calm. Because after the storm there's a calm. So just continue man. Continue. And just a kill off the little young one them we are think for old guns. So kill them from early. Less foot soldiers. For the man them we are finance the war. Because you see the man them we are finance the war, them afraid for dead, you know. Them not go up on no battlefield, you know. Them not want put one foot out there, you know, because they don't want them foot get shut off. So them are finance it. And I want to finance it. So yeah man. I just a pretty deep, you know, because I realize that a man will not even have nothing to do with the war, like the singer. The singer lose him youth. So if the singer decides to pump some dub money and get some police on him payroll or get some hitters on him payroll and then start to apply the pressure but uno will take all him youth life. Uno I go lose just like our river lose the 5-foot soldier and cramp the financer. You get me idea like me just showing. So the more when you purge out each other and the more you lose foot soldier. So it go force the man them will finance it for Lord the war alone because them now have no more foot soldier. And you know them don't want to go up on the battlefield because them a coward. You see me idea with? So it go force them for Lord the war and go do whatever. You see me, go do something else. So as I say, just go and purge out to the one another man. Make them use, you know, and fuck up in the life. Yeah man, just continue man. As I say, that is the only way to bring back August down. I know worry yourself man, because you see the man them love finance war. Jaja always have something for them. A piece of karma there for them too man. Because I see enough of them, you know. Enough of them lose them pitney. Enough of them lose them mother, father. Enough of them all lose them life. So, oh, Jaja play out the badness more while Jaja just put a soldier upon earth where the financer go play a certain ansness. And the ansness just go deal with the financer. So don't worry yourself man. Oh, Jaja playing chess. It's a chess move, you know, so. Just watch and see man, you see me? Who know about war now? Whole heap of war set up over the years, you know. Whole heap of big man we see rise and fall, you know. Whole heap of gang we see rise and fall, you know. Them play with that certain ansness, you know. Who remember the big Dan there? The Dan play with that ansness. Them should play with. And the ansness come and bite him up. Yeah man, remember the Dan there, man? Cause when the Dan they did that rain, you know. It was a storm, you know. And after them get bite up, it was a calm. So you get me, I say, who knows, I could see how this play out now. Cause it look like an outsider get involved in the thing. You see it, so I could see no man. Anyway, a Positive Street, 876. Bitch.
Yeah. The way I try and stay positive, and I don't face how we are living. Some fools well negative, hear them come with them politics. When I hear from them, now we not beg none of them. Cause we not look a friend, and we not look a man. I don't know what one pretend, just grab her up and hand. I don't know what one pretend, just grab her up and hand. The way I try and stay positive, and I don't face how we are living. Some fools well negative, hear them